All right, today we're taking a look at this tiny razor. Let me check that out. Look how small that is. And it comes in an awesome travel carrying case. But this is going to be something that you can easily put in your carry-on, in your next travel pack, and it's like your go-to hotel. It has 4 blades right there. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 different blades right here. That's going to give you that nice close shave. You have a power button right here that you just press on, and it shows you your battery levels. Now that is humming. That is going really good. This is all magnetic, so this can pop off and you can clean it, and it just is magnetized. Now you can't put it on the wrong way because the magnets don't align. So that's pretty cool too. Plus this is a wet dry one, so you can take this in the shower and shower up that way as well. You also have a cleaning brush that comes with this, and it is USB-C right here. So the big question is, does it actually give you a really close shave? The smaller doesn't always mean better, but I'm going to tell you right out of the gate, this has a nice weight to it, has a really good feel, and it looks like they spent a lot of time with the design, premium quality. So I'm expecting good things from a premium quality. All right, so let's take a look and let's see exactly how this thing actually shaves. I'm going to be honest with you, I haven't really been an electric shaver guy my whole life. It hasn't been till recently that I've discovered, hey, I can get that electric shave and do it really quick, save some time, and have it look good too. I've always been that straight edge shaver. And guess what? That actually worked really well. Look at that. I'm actually kind of surprised how well that worked, just like that. Premium quality. All right, that actually, I had a lot of hair here, right there, and that just took it away. This is premium quality and premium results. I mean, I'm legit blown away. I had some soft hairs really quick. It took those off really fast. All right, that is really good. It is really close. All right, I'm move over straight razor. This is awesome. This is really good. Okay, so you got to go slow because I was going fast, a little bit fast. I was just like what I would normally do. So there's a tip for you. Just not too fast, not too slow, just a smooth. And that gets it really good, just going smooth strokes like that. Just let the razor do the work. I think this is awesome, guys. This is really good. Premium quality, maximum results. If you're in the market to upgrade your shaving experience, then I would definitely recommend this one for sure. It's a nice travel companion and it's good for everyday use as well.